If you're looking for a way to quickly and easily find academic articles, CardinalSearch is the place to go. Let me show you how to get the most out of this search tool. CardinalSearch, the search bar on the library homepage, is a little bit like Google for library resources. This search tool lets you use words or phrases to search through more than 100 library databases and thousands of journal subscriptions all at one time. We can find all sorts of things on CardinalSearch, from books to films, but for now, I'll show you how to find academic research articles. To start, type in a few words related to your question or topic and hit search. Depending upon your search, your first results might be books, articles, or one of a dozen other media types available from the library. To get the best results, search for words or phrases related to a specific question or research topic. If your topic is too broad, you might be overwhelmed by the amount of results you find. The fastest way to find academic articles is to use the peer-reviewed journals limiter near the top of the Refine Results menu. All of our results are now academic peer-reviewed journal articles. We can further limit our results using filters like publication date. You may also notice the filter Open Access and Available Online. Because CardinalSearch casts a wide net when looking for articles, not every article you find will be immediately available online. For some articles, you'll need to request access and wait a day or two for the PDF to arrive. Choosing the Open Access filter will limit your results to articles that were published using an open access model. They were published online for free for anyone to read. Using the Available Online filter will show you all of the articles you can read online without requesting access, including those the library pays to access. To read articles from library subscriptions, be sure you are signed in. Articles that are available in full text online will then say Available Online under the article information. If you would like to read an article that is not available online, click the Check Oesterle Library for Availability link and then look at the Access options in the article record. Use the Google Scholar search link to see if a copy of the article is freely available online. If the article isn't available in Google Scholar, click on Request an Article through Interlibrary Loan. Interlibrary loan requests are provided to all students, faculty, and staff at no cost, and most articles will be provided to you digitally within 2 days. It's really as easy as that to find and access academic research articles using CardinalSearch. For many topics, CardinalSearch will work great, but if you find yourself struggling to find relevant articles or are overwhelmed by the number of results, consider trying a subject-specific database instead. Check out our other videos for more research tips and tricks. Visit our website at library.noctrl.edu for help with your research projects and assignments.